is wonderful to be standing in front of all of you on this momentous occasion for JPAL. 20 years is not a small feat for us. We refer to JPAL as an organization, and we are also a network of partners who are steadfast in their belief for a world made better for the poor through policies and programs informed by rigorous evidence. And it is through this belief that we have forged partnerships with like-minded people and partners in our 20-year journey.
The India office also helped set the base for what a regional presence, what a globally informed but a locally grounded organization should look like. One that is driven by evidence that spans the world, and yet which has underpinning staff connections with local partners.
Walking through the exhibition, this is what it brought back to me. The staff, the leadership, the many partners all around the world who do the work day to day. They share a common commitment to humanity and to alleviating poverty, which is what really has yielded the great successes of JPAL.
Most of us are having a set of well-defined steps is a help. Then once we understand the steps well enough, we might innovate. But I think people who innovate without getting to the first stage of understanding what the basic steps are usually make a mess of things.
What gives me hope is that level of energy that we started with 20 years ago. It's not diminished, it's only increased.